How's it going, guys? This is Forensic Forex with Deontay, and I'm back with another video. This is your daily update on New Zealand dollar versus the Japanese yen, NJ. And as you can see, we got a higher swing low formation here. This swing low is physically higher than this swing low. So we have signs that the commercials probably don't want this to go lower. I was skeptical and keeping an eye out on this raid, on this sell side liquidity below this swing low, because it could have been a false break. Then they would have went long, and going long after the break would be ideal. Here, it looks like they're failing to break that low and price is looking to push higher. Now we got this swing low, 1, 2, 3 bar formation. Zoom in, make sure it's not a double bottom. You see this low is lower than this one over here and this one here. So that's our swing low. This is the third candle in that swing formation. The third candle is rated by this candle here Friday, last week Friday. And in here Monday, I was telling the chat that if I saw Monday take out Friday's high, that means Tuesday, I'm going to look for Tuesday to run Monday's high. So some high probability scalp idea to the upside. So whether that's tonight's Asian session, tomorrow's London session, tomorrow's New York session, or tomorrow night's Asian session, we'll see that as well. See if price can push up. Now, it's not going to be the best buy possible, but if it is going to be a swing idea and we're going to look for a price to move up because they've been accumulating back and forth, right? Buy side liquidity, sell side liquidity, and squeezing traders to a sentiment. Eventually, one side is going to win and the other side's going to lose. Every winner, there's a loser. Every loser, there's a winner. Every buyer, there's a seller. Every seller, there's a buyer. So I would like to buy close to fair value at least. So tomorrow, I want to see a drop down below midnight opening price, a drop down below 2 a.m.'s opening price, right? London Open, a drop down below 7 a.m.'s opening price, a drop down below Asian sessions opening price, and look for long ideas, right? Rating sell side, some type of discount PDRA, and price pushing back up to take out the previous daily high. And we even have these swing highs here. We've got 1, 2, 3. There's buy side above that high. Buy side here. We have our IPTA look back 20-day high here, still pending. I would like to see if price would explode dynamically and run that out. The dollar has been trending bullishly. If you look at USWSI, UCAD, it's a clear direction, clear reflection of how price is still going up. So you can see how we had a break of these swing highs. We got a higher swing low, 1, 2, 3, and price is still continuing to trade higher. Take a look at UCAD. UCAD's been awesome. October tends to be very dynamic. You can see that ever since this last down close candle, we've been just trending bullish. Absolutely crazy. So it's definitely a retracement that's going to be due at some point. Some type of higher swing low may form inside of this inefficiency here, this one down here, or it may even retest, right, the buy curve and make a sell curve, retest the down close candle where they started buying heavily here. And we'll take a look at the Japanese yen real quick. You can see it's been selling off. So we had that gap up. It filled the gap, respected the gap after breaking that buy side here above those highs. And then bearish momentum started kicking into play. So we got lower swing highs, lower swing lows. And then we got inefficiencies to the downside, right? You had this SIBI recently in price tapped into it and then sold away, then printed up candle. And it's showing you signs that it wants to continue going lower. I think the fundamentals are coming back into play because of that interest rate differential. Now, I know some banks are either in their cutting cycle, and some other banks, like the Bank of Japan, are most likely in their hiking cycle. Now, recent time, they said that they're probably going to be cautious on raising rates very fast, and other banks have been saying that they shouldn't cut rates very fast. We want to see what inflation is doing. If what we were doing over the last couple of months, last couple of years, is actually going to cool down inflation, we'll see. Who knows? But as of right now, with the price action, what we're seeing here right now, the yen is depreciating again. It's starting to sell off. It's in a bearish trend. A new leg is most likely forming. So that's why I'm anticipating the yen crosses are probably going to pick back strength again. We had the huge interventions back in July. You know, Bank of Japan raised their rates, and it definitely checked a lot of the carry trades, right? Everybody that is going to look for higher yielding assets or higher yielding currencies, they definitely got out of it really quick because the threat of that carry trade unwinding very fastly would be detrimental to those accounts, right? So it may come back, right? That carry trade may not be done yet. I want to see if price is going to reclaim these up close candles, right? A reclaimed order block. That's where there's heavy selling after the up candles. So I want to see if price is going to reclaim that area where they sold off very heavily from. Again, it looks like a bull flag. I don't like to do retail trader ideas, but it is accumulating and it's squeezing. And I would like to see the squeeze to the upside. Hopefully you found this insightful. Peace.